grew up watching Iron Eagle and Top Gun at probably too young of an age. Started teaching aerobatics about 20 years ago. I just love the full three-dimensional freedom of it. You're just managing the energy of the airplane and making it do exactly what you want it to do when you want it to do it. The airplane's under higher loads than a typical flight, so you want to be able to trust the airplane. I have 5 boys and they all have ridden in it. It's important to me that I get back safe. What I appreciate about SMAT is it is a lot like a big shop in that they have the resources of the people and the tooling and the know-how, but they don't have the overhead that increase the expenses unnecessarily. What separates a good shop and a great shop is the quality of the maintenance and the quality of the team that's working on the airplane. In life, you have the balance of fast, cheap, and good. SMAT has figured out a way to do all three. Most shops in the area hear aerobatic airplane or fabric airplane and they don't even want to touch it. But they were happy to try it out and they knocked it out of the park. Couldn't be more pleased.